Happy New Year, everyone. I am Om Prakash and I have very interesting use case right now. Basically, on the task, there is a custom field opportunity close date. And when new task will be created under the opportunity, means when a new task will be created and task is related with opportunity, then we need to update this custom field on task and value will come from opportunity close date. Well, very basic requirement. But here, if we think the opportunity ID means what ID, then this is polymorphic field. Means we can't use formula field here. Today, while answering this question, I suggested go with the record triggered flow. Why? Let's understand. Here, we need to update the task. Well, and when task is created, means we need to update the value on the same record. So we will use record triggered flow before event and it's 10x faster. Let's see how we are going to achieve it very quickly. We are going to create one flow. So if you are flow beginner, no worry, it's for you as well. Setup, flows, new flow. Now we need to choose which type of flow you needed. So our requirement is we need a flow when record will be created, means task will be created. So record triggered flow. See, launch when a record is created, updated or deleted. We will choose this option. Next, let's go with by default reform. Now, time to think. The record is created. Awesome. It's already by default here. But let's edit this and see. When record is created, means this flow will called when record will created. Here I am talking about the record task. And what we need to do? We need to update the task itself, right? So in this situation, let's choose run the flow before the record is saved. Because we need to update the field on same object, I mean on task object, I am going to repeat again and again, keeping in mind for pro beginner. So I am going to choose before the record is saved. Suppose if we need to update any related record or any other record, then we will choose after the record is saved. Okay, just a basic level. Here I am going to choose before record is saved, when record is created. Done. Which record is created? Task. So yes, choose object, task. Done. Now, every task or any specific criteria? So yes, we have some specific criteria. On the task, it might be possible that related to is not opportunity, maybe related to is account contact account. By the way, contact is here in name. So we need to filter the criteria only when related to age opportunity, because our requirement is also telling the same thing. So let's go in the flow, add a field. What ID? See, the operator starts with, well, you can use, but I am going with very simple. When what ID starts with 006. Why? If we go on opportunity, you can see all opportunity ID start with 006. Okay, it's a standard object, and we know So I am going to put 00006. So this criteria will return true, means this flow will start when task record will created, and which task, where opportunity ID is linked with in what ID. Well done. Now we need to take field from opportunity. Okay, so we need to drag get records. Give a name, find close date from opportunity. Okay, which records we need to get, means we are going to search something, we need to search opportunity. Okay, so opportunity, and what is criteria? We all know what on the opportunity ID. Opportunity ID equals which opportunity ID? We need this opportunity. Means from task, we can take this opportunity ID from related to field. Well, so here there is record variable. This is global variable called record. It is giving us the task record, means it is giving us the variable, I mean the record which started this flow, and we know task started this flow. So task means record dot related ID. Okay, so if you say related ID, related to ID is label, and what ID is API. So let's choose this. We are going to search the opportunity where opportunity ID is task dot related ID. Done. And we only need the first record. So yes, choose this option. We need one record. Of course, we have given ID, so it will also give us only one record. So this is good. Done. Now, what we need to do? We need to update the task with close date. So let's drag one assignment. Give a name, assign close date to task. Okay, means on the task we have one custom field close date, and we need to assign the opportunity close date to task, to the field on the task. So variable age record, means we know task, as I discussed recently, task dot close date, opportunity close date equal opportunity. Which one? You can see opportunity from find close date. The name of our previous element get record is here. So opportunity record, it is giving us opportunity record. So opportunity dot close date. Let's find close date. Okay, so we have assigned opportunity close date on task equal to variable from opportunity. Done. Great news is that we are in the before flow, before the record is saved. So we don't need any update action. Simply link this to this, means get record, then assignment, but primarily first thing first, link this to get records. Well, start, then find the opportunity, then assign the field on task from opportunity. All good. Save it, give a proper name, update field on task from opportunity. Okay, you can give better name. Done. Let's activate this flow. Let's go for quick testing. I am on the opportunity record already. Give a name, flow demo. Okay. Give anything. And I have cleared this. By default, it will be here, this current opportunity. Save it. And on the task, let's go on the task. Awesome. We have opportunity close date coming from opportunity close date field on the opportunity. Yes, this was the primary requirement here. We're done. Now, coming on this question, in this question, there is some specific criteria, some more filter on the task. Nobody? Simply click here, add condition, add your field. Yep, add all your condition, what is required. Okay, so thank you very much. Let's try this. And if you have any question, please text in the comment. I will happy to help. Thank you. Bye-bye.